Welcome to the Auto Aces, your premier source for in-depth automotive reviews and insights. Today, we're exploring the exhilarating 2025 BMW M2, a compact high-performance sports car that seamlessly blends power, precision, and modern technology. At the heart of the 2025 M2 lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, now delivering an impressive 473 horsepower, an increase of 20 horsepower from the previous model. This robust engine offers two transmission options, a 6-speed manual for enthusiasts who relish full control and an 8-speed automatic for those preferring seamless, rapid gear shifts. Notably, models equipped with the automatic transmission benefit from an increased torque of 443 pound-feet, enhancing acceleration and responsiveness. The manual variant maintains a torque of 406 pound-feet, providing a classic, engaging driving experience. With the automatic transmission, the M2 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, while the manual achieves this in 4.1 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, extendable to 177 miles per hour with the optional M Driver's package. The exterior design of the M2 is both aggressive and refined. It features BMW's signature kidney grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights. The muscular stance is accentuated by pronounced wheel arches housing standard 19-inch front and 20-inch rear M-Lite alloy wheels. For 2025, BMW introduces a range of new color options, including Portimao Blue, Vegas Red, and Sao Paulo Yellow, allowing drivers to personalize their M2 to their taste. The quad exhaust tips now come in black, adding to the vehicle's sporty aesthetic. Inside, the M2 offers a driver-focused cockpit adorned with premium materials. The standard M Sport seats provide excellent support during spirited drives, while optional M Carbon bucket seats offer enhanced lateral support and a weight reduction of approximately 24 pounds. The dashboard is dominated by a curved display that seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. This setup runs on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, offering intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Standard features include a Harman Kardon surround sound system, 3-zone automatic climate control, and ambient interior lighting. Safety and driver assistance are paramount in the 2025 M2. Standard features encompass lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Additional options include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system, providing comprehensive awareness and peace of mind. The 2025 BMW M2 starts at $66,075, including destination and handling fees. This price reflects the vehicle's enhanced performance, advanced technology, and bespoke design elements. Both the manual and automatic transmissions are available at no additional cost, allowing drivers to choose their preferred driving experience without financial compromise. In summary, the 2025 BMW M2 elevates the legacy of its predecessor by offering increased power, refined design, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're drawn to its dynamic performance, customizable aesthetics, or modern amenities, the M2 stands out as a compelling choice for driving enthusiasts seeking a harmonious blend of excitement and everyday usability. Thank you for joining us on the Auto Aces. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed automotive reviews and insights. If you have any questions or thoughts about the 2025 BMW M2, feel free to leave them in the comments below.